In this video, we will learn how lagoons are formed. The simple definition of a lagoon is when a shallow body of water is separated from a larger body of water like a sea or an ocean. That is what is called a lagoon. Now the key point to remember is that this shallow body of water should be nearer to a sea or an ocean, because the water of a lagoon has to come from a sea or an ocean. Otherwise, a simple lake can also be called as a lagoon. And if a lake is nearer to a sea or ocean and somehow that lake gets water from the nearby sea or an ocean, then we call it a lagoon. Lagoons are of two types. One is present at the center of an atoll. This type of lagoons are called atoll lagoons. And the second type of lagoon occurs near coastlines. If you ever go to a coastal area, you will find a coastal lagoon where the coastline has a gentle slope, because the sediment gets continuously washed away by the sea or ocean, and then the sediment churns and turns into a sand ridge or a sandbar. As a result, a small pool of water gets separated from the ocean. This is how a coastal lagoon is formed. Now this coastal lagoon is either connected to the ocean by a small stream. That's how the lagoon gets its water supply. Apart from this, there's another way the coastal lagoon gets its water, and that happens when the sea level rise. However, keep in mind, when the sea level rises, it impacts the coastal lagoon's landscape to a great extent. The most famous lagoons in India include the Chilika Lake, the Kalivali Lake, the Kerala backwaters, Pulikat Lake and Vembanad Lake.